Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you're having a great time. This is a special little video. This crazy mum I met yesterday. And a lovely woman. And I'm with her mum. She wants me to make this ring for her son. I think she said he's 13. This is for Julius. I probably pronounced your name wrong, man. Julius. His mum is Tea, spelt T-E-A. And the good old dad is Santu. I cocked all the names up, but there you go. So, Julius, this is for you, man. Right, first of all, you've got to punch a hole in it. My last day on the market. Yippee. That's been fun. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. Oh my God, there's glass everywhere still. I can't wait to get back to normal. What's normal? I'm normal. I don't think I've ever been normal. Right. Yeah, Julius, your mum's right. She's a good laugh. She's a good mum. Right. Let's slap it on the bottom. It's a bit naughty. This day was a good day on the market, or the Big Apple. So your mum said you like watching YouTube, Julius. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, man. This is a special one for you. This is a deburring tool. I call it Chris Deburr. And you just want to cut out that rough edge. I hope I can make it small enough for you. This is a small ring for a small finger. But I'll tell you what I'll do for you, mate. Because you're only 13. As you grow, your finger is going to get bigger. Believe it or not. Yeah, I know these things, you know. I'm clever. And one day it's going to be a bit too tight for you. So in the summer, I work on the Calpatoy, the fish market. If you want to keep wearing your ring, you can bring it along to me in the summer. I'm only there when it's a sunny day. I don't go when it's raining anymore. I used to go every day, but not anymore. You can bring it along to me, and I'll resize it for you. And as you get older and older, you can bring it along year after year, and I'll resize it for you for free of charge, mate. It's called share the love, man, you know. Be nice to people. And hopefully it comes back to you one day. Right, there you go, Julius. That's now nice and clean. So, we put it in this little thing. It's called a folding die. And we'll go with the date on the sunny side of the ring. Well, that's the outside of the ring to you, because you've probably never seen my videos before. We'll go over to Big Red. There's glass everywhere. And it's Father Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. God, stop the world. I want to get off. And this is a folding cone. Right. There you go, Julius. So now, if I can find here we go. This is like a nail file. You just want to clean up that edge. Make sure there's no cracks forming. There you go, fella. So, we now want to give it some love with Bernie the fire starter. Yeah, all my subscribers that I've had this year, I'd like to thank you all for your support. You've been great. I really appreciate it. And the comments, I really appreciate the comments you've been giving me. I got another one the other day saying what I'm doing is illegal, but there's always the odd one or two about. Okay, let's dry it off. Now we go over to my favourite tool in the toolbox, Julius. I call him Spike. And he's a ring stretcher. He stretches the ring to the sides. But this is going to be fun for you because you've got small fingers, man. I just hope I can make it that size for you. Right. This stretches the ring. A bit more there. We give it a little turn each time so it stretches the ring equally all the way around. Come on guys, it's for a 13-year-old boy. What do you want me to say? Right, what size have we got? Where's my mandrel? And you want a size 17.5. Right, that is now an 18. We could go a little bit more because I then have to make it smaller. And by that, you're straightening up the walls a little bit because it's still a bit cone-shaped at the moment. So let's see if this fits in here. It does. Just a little bit. Okay, let's go to the bottom end of Spike. And now we start reducing it to the size of what you're looking for. And you always measure from the thick end, the reeded side. This isn't reeded, it's milled. But it's the same thing. And there's a little bit. There's a little bit of a lip in there, Julius. You want to cut that out, or it's uncomfortable for you. Yeah, Julius, I've lived in Finland for 22 years. I know hundreds of Finnish words, but I can't get it, man. I went to college, and there was about 4 or 5 white people. I'm not prejudiced. There's about 25 blacks, and the black people picked it up easy, and us whites, we just couldn't get there, man. We were just like idiots. Well, I'm an idiot anyway, but so my Finnish is really bad. I know hundreds of words, but I can't hold a conversation. You know, I know how to order stuff at the shop, and a bit too young for you, but I know how to order a beer, and you know, kiitos and huviola, huvudsyndrome paper, all them sort of words I know. Right, what size we got? This is now a size. So we now want to bring out this little tool. These are reduction dies. We put that into the bottom end of Spike, and we find one that it fits. Well, that's not too bad. Ooh la la. Right, what we got now? See? Smaller. No, it's too small, so we want to go over. Spike again. And yeah, the walls are nice and straight. So now we just want to give it a little bit of love. Not much, not too much love, or it'll bite you. That's a 17. And your mum says she wants a 17.5. So for this, because I use the kitchen roll so you don't lose the detail on the inside of the coin. But for this last little bit, this isn't going to touch the sides. It's just that little tiny bit. What we got now, Julius? A bit more. A little bit more. $17. Maybe maybe a touch more. Not much more. You don't go a touch too much, man. I'd say that was a 17.5. Right, mate. Right now, what we do is we get out Dave the Dremel, and on Dave we have a thing called Kate Bush, and it's like very, very fine steel wool. It's quad zero steel wool, in fact. And we clean it up. I will clear coat this. I think this is going to be a big surprise for you, mate. Your mum was chuffed. She gave me her name and your name, and her mum was there. And then after about 20 minutes, she came running back. I think she'd had a coffee with your mum. I said, oh, we forgot. She says, you better put your dad's name in. So we got your mum, your dad's name. I probably pronounced them wrong, fella, but hey, come on. So like I said, as you get older, your finger's obviously going to get bigger. If you come and find me, or your mum and dad come and find me on the Kelpatory, the fish market in the summer, I will make it bigger for you, and we could just keep going along. You got all the detail, you got the date, 1976. You got all the text on the inside. Not there's as much text in there, but what there is, you still got. So, Julius, my man, you have a great Christmas, fella, and enjoy your ring. I enjoyed making it for you. And to all my subscribers, have a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you soon, hopefully. Bye bye.